Hello everybody, thank you so much for watching. My name is Alexander. I'm a Porsche certified sales professional at Champion Porsche in South Florida, and thanks so much for watching my YouTube videos. If you appreciate my YouTube walk-around videos, please consider subscribing to my channel. Please hit that like button and feel free to comment down below. You can also contact me directly via cell phone or email with my contact information being in the video description. In today's walk-around video, I'd like to present you this spectacular certified pre-owned 2024 Porsche 911 GT3. This GT3 just arrived at our dealership. It's currently part of our certified pre-owned inventory. And in today's walk-around video, we're going to highlight the build specifications on this specific car. If you're interested in this 911 GT3, again, my contact information is in the video description. The exterior color on this specific vehicle is jet black metallic. There were two black colors available for the 992.1 911 GT3. By the way, introduced in the US marketplace as a model year 2022. And again, this is a 2024. So this is the jet black metallic option, color code 2T. The other color would be the standard black, which was color code A1. 20 inches in the front, 21 inches in the back. This is the optional satin dark silver finished center locking wheels. Of course, the lightweight aluminum wheels. In this case, fitted with the Michelin Cup 2 tires, the very sticky rubber. This vehicle also equipped with the PCCB, the Porsche carbon composite brake system, the gigantic carbon ceramic rotor in the front. In this case, with the caliper finished in high gloss black. Normally the caliper is finished in yellow on the standard PCCB option. But in this case, the Porsche exclusive manufacturer department did a high gloss black finish for the carbon ceramic caliper. And we can also see that this one was equipped with the optional carbon fiber roof, replacing the standard aluminum roof with a carbon fiber finish. And also the mirror caps, once again, also finished from factory with carbon fiber. Look at the front of the vehicle, we can see the optional LED matrix design headlights, replacing the standard LED headlights by the LED matrix design. Very recognizable in the design of the daytime running lights, but also the actual wording itself inside the housing, as you can see, Porsche LED matrix system. The beautiful design of the 992.1 GT3 front fascia, very large intake here to the front placed radiator. Of course, also the air guidance here to the side. From an aerodynamic standpoint, high downforce vehicle, incredible lap times can be done with this vehicle. What's also very specific about this one is a manual transmission. So the 992.1 GT3 available in both PDK as manual, and this is the 6-speed GT transmission, the 6-speed. An amazing combination, of course, with the 4-liter flat 6, just over 500 horsepower with a 9,000 RPM red line. Look at the side, the beautiful GT3 decal, matching very nice in color to the satin dark silver wheels. Continue here to the back, where rear axle steering system is standard for the GT3 since the 991.1 introduced in 2014. And of course, the iconic swan neck design rear wing. Adjustable in downforce level, you can see here up close the ability to change the downforce level depending on your preferences. And getting here to the back, you can see that beautiful diffuser design. Look at the size of the diffuser, especially compared to the 991 GT3 models. Of course, the centrally located sport exhaust system as standard on the GT3. Again, 9,000 RPM red line, 4-liter naturally aspirated flat 6 with individual throttle bodies. Now, individual throttle bodies were introduced on the 4-liter flat 6 on the 2019 Spider. So the 992.1 GT3 was the first one to carry it from the Speedster into the GT3 model. Let's have a look on the inside, where this one is also very nicely appointed with the 18-way Sport Seats Plus. The beautiful light stitching, as you can see, the GT3 name in the headrest itself. This one has the high gloss black carbon fiber option. You can see the use once again of carbon fiber on the inside. Beautiful black leather on the top with the silver stitching. The raised text material here in the center part of the door. Also equipped with Bose speakers. GT Sport steering wheel is standard for the GT3. In this case, finished in leather. Then we have the optional Sport Chrono package also equipped. And this vehicle is also equipped with the front axle lift system. The seats are also heated in case you drive the vehicle in colder climate conditions. Multifunctional steering wheel became standard in the 992 GT3 models. The same for navigation system. Apple CarPlay also standard on the vehicle. And in the middle there you can see the iconic 6-speed manual transmission. Current mileage on the vehicle, just less than 3,000 miles. Again, being offered as a certified pre-owned vehicle. Production date on this vehicle, February 2024. So it's still well within the new car Porsche warranty. But when the new car warranty comes to an end, the 2-year Porsche approved certified pre-owned warranty comes into play. Again, offered here at Champion Porsche, the #1 largest retailer in North America for Porsche. Again, my name is Alexander. I'm a Porsche certified sales professional here at Champion Porsche. My contact information is in the video description. I would like to thank you once again for hitting that like button, subscribe to my channel to be notified on my latest uploads. And again, if you are interested in a Porsche, feel free to reach out to me directly. Located in South Florida, a 22-acre Porsche facility with multiple showrooms, an amazing warehouse, and a lot of Porsche expertise here at the dealership. Thanks so much once again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.